All right, folks, here comes my biggest birthday present ever today. Here comes Amtrak train number 14, Starlight. This train is the northbound train to Seattle. Here it comes. Heritage Unit, ALC 42301. It's leading on this train, followed by the P42DC tailing in the back. So once again, this is your Amtrak Starlight number 14 coming in. There it goes down there. There it goes. Once again, ALC 42 Day 1 Heritage Unit 301 is leading this one off. So this is one of the biggest birthday present ever to go see 301. All right, here it comes. I think he's gonna pull the train all the way up here. Yeah, he's gonna pull the train all the way up here. Or he's probably gonna stop right there. So once again, Starlight, number 14. Looks like he's gonna stop here, so yeah. All right, folks, let's move up closer to see the concepts. I'll be back for my backpack in a second. All right, folks, this is 301 Day 1 Heritage Unit. Right there, P42DC tailing in the back. Starlight. We'll be right back after these commercial breaks. All right, folks. Now street running is Amtrak Starlight number 14 with the ALC 42301 leading and the P42DC. I think this train will stop in the middle of the street because the signal is red. So I hope the signal turns green. Starlight number 14. This train will hold here in the middle of Japan for a second. Okay, 301. Show me a horn show. Give me a horn show. 301 leading. Starlight signal is still red. And P42 number 144. Alright, folks. This is your Starlight number 14. This train will make a stop in the middle of Jack London Square station until the signal turns green. All right, folks, y'all on YouTube, have a good night. Looks like nobody's in the lounge car. All right, folks, looks like this train is going to stop in the middle of Jack London Square Street right now. So we'll be right back after these commercial breaks till the signal turns green. So yeah. Okay, folks, we are back right now. Now the Starlight is clear to go. P42 number 144 Taylor, ALC 42 Day 1. Leading. Now he has a green. Alright folks, y'all on YouTube, have a safe trip to Seattle, Sacramento, Chico, or Portland, or any other state up north. Coaches, 3 coaches in the back. All right. All right, they got a train on its way to Seattle, Sam's new hometown. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good night. It's been a wonderful birthday I had. You know, it's been a wonderful birthday today I have. All right, folks, I'm Marcel Hall. Please like, share, subscribe. Tell your colleagues about me. And have a good night. Thank you for watching the Marcel Hall YouTube channel. Bye-bye.